10 camping gear and gadgets you must see in 2025. When you're preparing for your next camping trip, having the right gear can make all the difference. Whether you're heading out into the wilderness for a weekend getaway or embarking on a longer adventure, the right equipment ensures not only your comfort but also your safety and enjoyment. In 2025, a variety of cutting-edge camping gear and gadgets have emerged that promise to take your outdoor experiences to new heights. From advanced tents to innovative fire pits and even high-tech speakers, the gear you choose can elevate your trip in ways you might not have expected. Quest Redwood 4-Person Tent. The Quest Redwood 4-Person Tent is a modern marvel in camping technology. Designed to comfortably house up to 4 people, this spacious tent is ideal for those looking for a balance between comfort and functionality. Made with durable materials that withstand harsh weather conditions, the Redwood tent features a unique double-wall construction. This design not only adds an extra layer of protection against the elements but also improves ventilation, ensuring that the air inside stays fresh and dried even when it's rainy or humid outside. Its user-friendly setup process means you can spend less time struggling with pulls and more time enjoying the great outdoors. Solo Stove Ranger Fire Pit 2.0. The Solo Stove Ranger Fire Pit 2.0 is a game-changer for those who love gathering around the fire on chilly nights. This compact, portable fire pit offers an incredibly efficient burn with minimal smoke, making it perfect for campsites where you want the warmth and ambience of a fire without the overwhelming smoke cloud. The Ranger Fire Pit features a sleek, modern design that's not only visually appealing but also highly functional. Its double-wall construction creates a super-efficient airflow system that feeds oxygen to the fire from below, allowing it to burn hotter and cleaner than traditional fire pits. This means you can enjoy a consistent flame with little to no smoke, which is a major plus for comfort and maintaining a clear view of the fire. What makes the Solo Stove Ranger Fire Pit 2.0 stand out even more is its portability. Bass Pro Shops HBR Bibs for Men. The Bass Pro Shops HBR Bibs for Men are the ultimate choice for anyone who wants to stay dry and warm during their outdoor adventures, no matter the weather. These bibs are made from a high-performance, waterproof material that provides excellent protection against rain and snow. The HBR bibs feature a durable and breathable design that keeps you comfortable during long days in the wilderness. The waterproof outer shell repels water, while the insulation keeps your body heat locked in, ensuring that you stay warm even when temperatures drop. Whether you're fishing, hiking, or just enjoying a winter camping trip, these bibs will keep you dry and comfortable throughout the day. One of the standout features of the Bass Pro Shops HBR bibs is their incredible versatility. Cane Revive Shoes. Cane Revive shoes are the perfect combination of comfort, durability, and performance, making them an excellent choice for all your outdoor excursions. Designed with an innovative approach to comfort, these shoes feature a unique midsole technology that absorbs shock and reduces foot fatigue. Whether you're trekking through rugged trails, navigating rocky terrains, or simply walking around the campsite, the Cane Revive shoes provide outstanding support and cushioning. Their lightweight yet sturdy construction means your feet will feel comfortable, even during long hikes or full days of exploration. Additionally, the breathable mesh upper allows air to circulate, preventing your feet from overheating and ensuring they stay dry throughout the day. Beyond their performance features, Cane Revive shoes are also crafted with style in mind. Chilgo Inflatable Couch. When it comes to relaxation in the great outdoors, the Chilgo Inflatable Couch is a game-changer. This portable, inflatable lounger is incredibly easy to set up and provides a comfortable spot to unwind after a long day of hiking, kayaking, or exploring. Unlike traditional camping chairs, the Chilgo Couch offers a more spacious and relaxed lounging experience, making it perfect for stretching out and soaking in the scenery. The design allows for maximum comfort without the need for an air pump, and it can be inflated in seconds by simply waving it through the air. Yeti Hopper M12 Soft Backpack Cooler. The Yeti Hopper M12 Soft Backpack Cooler is perfect for those who like to bring their beverages and snacks on the go without compromising on quality or convenience. This cooler is designed with durability in mind, made from high-density fabric that's tough enough to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The soft yet durable material provides excellent insulation to keep your food and drinks cool for hours, while the backpack design makes it easy to carry. Whether you're hiking through the forest, kayaking down a river, or just strolling around camp, the Yeti Hopper M12 is the perfect companion to keep your refreshments cold and your hands free. The leak-proof zipper ensures no spills or leaks, while the overall design maximizes comfort and functionality. One of the most appealing features of the Yeti Hopper M12 is its versatility. This cooler is not only great for camping trips, but it's also ideal for tailgating, picnics, and beach days. White River Home Moose Plate Giant Berber Throw Blanket. When you're out camping, nothing beats the feeling of wrapping yourself in a cozy, warm blanket after a long day of adventure. The White River Home Moose Plate Giant Berber Throw Blanket offers the perfect blend of warmth, comfort, and style. Made from plush Berber fleece, this oversized throw provides a soft, velvety feel that's perfect for cuddling up by the campfire or in your tent. The striking moose plate design adds a touch of rustic charm to your camping setup, making it not only practical but also a fun addition to your outdoor gear. Its generous size ensures you have plenty of room to wrap up, providing a cocoon of warmth and comfort on chilly nights. JBL Clip 4 Bluetooth Speaker. If you love listening to music while you're camping, the JBL Clip 4 Bluetooth speaker is an essential piece of gear. Compact and portable, this speaker offers impressive sound quality and a small, easy-to-carry design. The Clip 4 is water-resistant, meaning you don't have to worry about it getting wet during your outdoor adventures, whether you're caught in the rain or near the water. Its built-in carabiner allows you to easily clip it to your backpack, belt loop, or tent, so you can keep it within reach at all times. Despite its small size, the JBL Clip 4 delivers clear, powerful sound, making it perfect for listening to your favorite tunes while you relax around the campfire, on the trail, or at the campsite. Redhead Series 61 Chukka Boots for Men. For any camping enthusiast, a sturdy pair of boots is essential, and the Redhead Series 61 Chukka Boots for Men deliver in both comfort and durability. These boots are designed with a rugged, outdoor-ready aesthetic that's perfect for hiking, trekking, and all types of outdoor adventures. The Series 61 Chukka boots feature a durable leather upper and a cushioned insole, providing support and comfort even during long days on tough trails. Their lightweight construction ensures your feet won't feel weighed down, yet they still provide the sturdy support needed to handle rocky terrain and uneven ground. With a classic yet functional design, these boots are an excellent choice for any camper or hiker. Clusi Crossbody Bags. For campers who like to keep their essentials close at hand, the Clusi Crossbody Bags are an excellent choice. These bags are designed for convenience, style, and practicality, offering the perfect way to carry your small items like your phone, wallet, keys, and snacks while keeping your hands free for other tasks. With their sleek, compact design, Clusi Crossbody Bags are perfect for hiking, exploring, or just walking around camp. The adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit, while the multiple compartments allow you to organize your belongings efficiently. Whether you're out for a hike or simply need a stylish, functional bag for everyday use, these crossbody bags offer the perfect blend of convenience and style for all your outdoor adventures. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.